Welcome to How to Play Uno Championship Series. To play, you will need the Uno Championship Series game that turns Uno into a tournament for up to 30 players. The game comes with 3 Uno decks, special rules cards, tournament scoreboards, and a championship trophy. The object of the tournament is to earn the best finishing position each round until only one player is crowned the Uno champion. The championship series keeps the core gameplay the same while adding tournament scoring and special rules that change from round to round. Before learning those tournament rules, let's quickly review how a standard game of Uno is played. Players are dealt 7 cards and try to be the first player to get rid of their cards by playing them into the middle, either by matching the color or number of the current middle card. The Uno Championship Series comes with 3 Uno decks. Each deck of cards supports a game for 3 to 10 players. To start a tournament, divide the players evenly among the available tables. Every table plays its own game of Uno simultaneously. At the beginning of each round, 2 special rule cards are randomly drawn and will be active for every table until the round ends. These cards introduce unique twists that change how the round is played. There are 12 different special rules cards. If the 0 card is revealed, every time a 0 is played, all players pass their hands to the next player in the current direction of play. If the 1 card is revealed, playing the 1 lets you take a random card from another player before giving them 1 card of your choice. If the 2 card is revealed, every 2 becomes a wild card. If the 4 card is revealed, playing a 4 forces both players beside you to each draw 1 card. If the 5 card is revealed, you may play a 5 out of turn as long as it matches the color of the top discard card. If the 6 card is revealed, when a 6 is played, everyone races to slap the table. The last player to slap draws 1 card. If the 7 card is revealed, when a 7 is played, swap hands with any player of your choice. If the reverse card is revealed, when a reverse is played, play changes direction, and the next player in the new direction draws 1 card without losing their turn. If the skip is revealed, when a skip card is played, the next 2 players are skipped instead of 1. If the draw 2 card is revealed, when a draw 2 card is played, the targeted player draws 3 cards instead of 2. If the wild draw 4 card is revealed, when the wild draw 4 card is played, choose any player to draw 4 cards or split the penalty between 2 players with each drawing 2 cards. Play then continues with the next player in the current direction. Finally, if the number stack card is revealed, whenever you play a card by matching its number, you may immediately play any additional cards of that same number from your hand as part of the same turn. With the players at their tables, the leaderboards filled out, and 2 special rule cards revealed, the tournament is ready to begin. Each table will play a regular game of Uno with the special rules in play. Once a player gets rid of all their cards, the round ends and every player receives a finishing position for that round. The player who emptied their hand first earns first place for the round. The remaining players count the cards left in their hand and are ranked from the fewest cards to the most cards. Tony went out in this game and gets the 1 rank. Jess has the fewest remaining cards with 1 and gets the 2 rank. If 2 or more players are tied, they share the same finishing position. Wade and Peter both have 2 cards and both get a 3 rank. The next finishing position is then skipped based on the number of players tied. Steve is next with 4 cards left and gets the 5 rank. Diana has the most remaining cards and gets the 6 rank. The other tables will keep their own leaderboards as well. A second round is then played with 2 new rule cards being drawn for the round. After the second round is finished, the ranks are scored. Then a third and final round is played with 2 new rule cards. After the third round is finished, the ranks are scored. Add up each player's total tournament score from the 3 rounds. The 2 players with the lowest totals from each table will advance to the final round. 2 new rules cards are drawn for the final round. The first player to get rid of their cards in the final round is the champion of the tournament and gets to hoist the championship trophy. If multiple players at a table tie for low total to go to the final round, the player with the lower rank in round 3 gets to move on. If tied in round 3, compare round 2 rank. If still tied, compare round 1 rank. If you enjoyed learning how to play Uno Championship Series and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy to follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.